Hi, my name is Rebecca Evans, and I'm representing Team Hydra from Rose-Hulman Institute of Technology. And today I'm going to perform a demonstration for you that we designed for 4th and 5th grade students. Our main goal was basically to try to spark an interest in them about STEM careers and all of the things that you can do with science, technology, engineering, and math, because we obviously thought it was a pretty great field ourselves. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on one of the grand challenges. There are 14 grand challenges, but we chose to focus on the fact that majority of the world, honestly, has a very severe lack of clean water, that they can't really drink too much, you know? So one of the ways that we're going to try to combat that is to teach students about water filters and a really easy way to purify water. So hopefully that they can grow on that with their future education, and this will be a great stepping stone for them. So to start off with, I'm going to go over all the materials that you need for this. You need one 2-liter bottle that you're going to demonstrate to the class. It starts out like this, then you cut it in half, nicely invert it. Then you're also going to need a coffee filter and a rubber band. And then in these 2 little Dixie cups, this one is full of sand. It's red clay sand. You can just get it in like Hobby Lobby or the craft areas. And then this one is filled with gravel. We got it from like the aquarium gravel, kind of around Walmart. Then over here we have this lovely jar of dirty water. It has regular water, shredded paper towels, canola oil, and bits of styrofoam that have been ripped up and are floating around in there. So this is what we're going to run through our filter after we're done constructing it. So I'm just going to put this over here for now. Alright, so to start off with, we're going to take the top of the bottle and we're going to attach the coffee filter to it. So you want to put the coffee filter on the outside, that way it doesn't get too messy and materials aren't going to slip past it on the inside of the bottle. So you put it on the outside, right like a little hat, and then you just put the rubber band around it and that'll hold it in place. So it'll look like this, and then you invert it, and that's the start of our water filter. So our ideal goal is to have the kids choose from a variety of materials that we would have set out, or you guys would have set out, but we would like the main demonstration to be done with these materials because they seem to work the best, and that way you have a successful product right in the front of the class. So to start off next, after the coffee filter, we're going to put the red sand, and you just dump it in. Alright, so that's the next layer of our filter. And then we're going to layer it on top of that, we're going to pour the gravel. Alright, just trying to make sure it's an even layer across the board. However, you don't need to mix up the layers. If you keep them stacked on top of each other, that's perfectly fine. So as far as our actual filter goes, this is the finished product. This is what we're going to run the water through, and hopefully we're going to see some nice, beautiful, clear, drinkable water on the bottom. However, don't let them actually drink it. Alright, so I'm going to send the water through now. Alright, and now I'm going to take a spoon and kind of mix the sand a little bit. Maybe if we stir that up, that might help move the water through the sand. Alright, and you can start to see it come through.